All right, in today's video, we're going to talk about what is Boss Suite, and I'm going to give you a beginner friendly breakdown on this program. It is hosted in school, amazing community. In school, if you're not familiar with the school platform, you can host a community there as well as have your courses and modules there as well. So, in today's video, again, I want to give you a simpler beginner breakdown of what Boss Suite actually is, because I know a lot of women are searching for, ways to make money online, a simple business model, additional income, or a fresh start financially. And sometimes online business can feel very confusing. So today I'm going to walk you through this in a very simple way. So I'm Abigail. I run this Faceless YouTube channel to help women learn how to make money online using creativity, searchable content, and simple digital business systems. You do not need to be an influencer to build online. You just need strategy. You need consistency, and you need the willingness to start. So hopefully Boss Suite will be your start. Now, many women online feel overwhelmed, confused, exhausted, stuck, trying to figure it all out on alone. And one thing I consistently hear from women is that I've tried so many things online and nothing really clicked. So a lot of women, what they do is they buy courses or post consistently or try different business ideas, consuming endless information, but still lacking a clear path. That's one reason systems like Boss Suite are getting the attention that they are getting right now. You can just search all over TikTok and even YouTube to see. Now, Boss Suite equals a digital education plus income community. Okay. At the core, Boss Suite is a digital education and supportive community designed to help people learn different ways to make money online. So it combines trainings, community tools, systems, and multiple income paths under one roof. So you don't have to worry about trying to buy a whole bunch of different courses. Boss Suite has it all. Now, what makes Boss Suite so different is that you get to choose your own earning path. Okay. There are so many different earning paths, and I'm going to list a few here. Faceless income, like I'm doing now, affiliate marketing, UGC, Amazon reviews, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, print on demand. What I personally think stands out about Boss Suite is that it gives women different ways to earn online. So some women do faceless. Some do affiliate income. Like, I love that Boss Suite allows you to be an affiliate. So I'm an affiliate of Boss Suite. So when I'm sharing this and you decide to use my link, I'm going to get a commission just like anything else. Also, content creation, digital products, or even beginner friendly side income ideas. And instead of forcing everyone into one path or making everybody resell a course, Boss Suite helps people to choose what best fits them. And then, of course, there are some 100% faceless paths that are available. Okay, this is huge for women who want privacy. Inside of Boss Suite, there are faceless learning paths where women can learn faceless UGC, product demos, voiceovers, Amazon reviews, Pinterest marketing, YouTube content without needing to be an influencer online. Okay. Now, another thing I love about Boss Suite is the done for you tech and automation. So another reason why beginners love Boss Suite is because there's done for you built-in system. So if you want to become an affiliate, that tech can be taken care of for you. So that's setup help, automation, templates, systems, guided trainings, and honestly, for beginners, that really matters. Everything in there is literally step by step, because tech can be overwhelming. There are some women in there say they are not tech savvy at all. And when you are not, sometimes that can be a hindrance to you. Now, I love this part and I love everything about Boss Week, but I really, really love the fact that there are skills in here you can learn. Have you ever heard of the term called skills pay the bills? Well, that is so true. You can learn skills like marketing, AI, using AI tools, storytelling, email marketing, social media, Canva, affiliate marketing, YouTube. Boss Suite also teaches those practical online income schools. I said income skills, things like marketing and sales and social media, chat GPT and AI, YouTube, Pinterest, email marketing, affiliate marketing. There are real digital skills that many women are using to create income online today. Like literally somebody right now is making the decision. Now, the real goal is for you to build an income that fits your life. And that's what I love about Boss Suite and this model and the fact that this community was created is because this model is for women who can build how they want to build their business that fits their lifestyle. Some women, like myself, we love slow mornings. We love flexibility, homeschooling freedom, extra income, and simply more peace financially. And online business gives women access to possibilities like they may have never considered before. Okay. Now, I do want to make sure that I make this important real talk announcement that this still requires learning. Okay. It still requires consistency. It still requires action and definitely your patience. Okay. Now, I don't want to make it sound so cliche, but Boss Suite is not magic money. Okay. No business model guarantees income. I don't even do that here on my channel because results are varied based on consistency, based on your effort, your work ethic, your visibility, your effort, and your willingness to learn. But for women who are serious about learning digital skills and building online income, it can definitely provide a very clear starting point. All right. Now, who is Boss Suite great for? All right. I believe that Boss Suite is great for women who want a clear starting point, value flexibility, want faceless options, willing to learn, and you want multiple income paths. And I think this works so great, especially well for women who do not want to build everything from scratch, who want support, who want community, and want beginner friendly guidance, especially women looking for a softer and more flexible business model. Okay. So if you're ready to get started, go down below in the description. I'm going to put a link down below for you to get access directly to Boss Suite. It's only a one-time fee and you'll get access to everything you need to begin building online. So again, you want to learn more, I put it down in the description. You can learn about faceless income, simple online systems, and again, I left everything below. Okay. If this type of content really helps you, make sure that you subscribe because we're going to continue to break down different online income models in a very simple way. I hope this was helpful and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.